Hi Diamond Art Divas, I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. This is called Countryside Cottage, and it is from, let's see, Dominic Davidson. It is a beautiful landscape and it is square. Can't wait to show it to you. So let's get into this box. I'm going to open it up here, nice and wide. Don't forget, on the box you get a code for 10% off. If you have never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, check out my link below for a 15% off your very first order from Diamond Art Club. Oh, this is a heavy one. It's huge. It is a 98 by 70 centimeter. Oh, it's going to be a big one. Some people have asked, you know, what are you going to do with all these canvases when you're finished with them? And, well, if you join us on Tuesday nights for Tea and Talk Tuesdays, we talk about those kind of questions. Tuesday nights from 10 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time, and sometimes a little longer. I have some Aussie friends who like to jump in at the end, and I will stay on as long as somebody's wanting to talk. And one of the topics recently is what to do with all your diamond paintings once you're finished, because we love the process, not just seeing the end result. Here is the little tiny sticker you get in the kit, and this is good for putting on the end of the box to show you what is in it. Or I also use it on my my inventory sheets that I keep track of what I've got going. Gives you all the information you need on that sticker. The toolkit that comes in this one. Okay. Oh, it's got a lot of goodies in here for you. Let me dump them out here. Because it's a square, you get a pointy tweezers. I love these tweezers. The protective cover. You get a random colored pen and squishy. You get a bag of baggies to help you kit up. You get a boat, a tray. This one happens to be the clear with the gold flecks, and they have a stopper on the end so that when you're shaking the drills around to get them into the right position, they don't fly out the end. I really like that. It comes with two multi-placers, a 5 and a 7 multi-placer. I like those as well. Get in there now. It comes with a heart of pink wax that you need to do your kit. It also comes with two extra freebies. This one, it's a washi tape. And this one is a beautiful green washi tape, if I can get it off of the roll here. This helps keep the edges of your painting clear, and it also helps you line up the drills on the edges nice and straight. When you start with straight edges, you get a straight painting. It also helps you section off the cover if you'd like to do that. And it comes with a, oh cute, it's a cover mine. It looks like a little chicken on a popsicle stick. Goofy. Alright, this is a magnet that you put underneath your canvas, and as you pull back the plastic as you're working on it, you can snap this down on top of it so that it keeps the plastic at bay while you are working on that canvas. And those are the goodies in your kit. Let's see this gorgeous painting. I probably won't be able to show you to you all in one piece. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring the little bell if you'd like to know when I'm putting out another video, especially for diamond art canvases and the sneak peeks that come up before the sales. And let's see. I unroll it backwards so that it flattens out so you can see more of it in one shot here. Take out the brick of drills. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It is full of confetti. which means a lot of color in a little bit of space. Oh, I'll give you a tour of the whole canvas, but right now you've got the bottom. Look at all the flowers. Holy Hannah. Can you see all those flowers? With a white picket fence. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. As we go along the bottom, you see more of the bottom, more of the flowers. You see some of the walkway, stone walkway down there. More flowers, almost like some logs and hay. Together you have a pond with some geese and little baby geese. Roses. And there's a swan up here. See the swan? And I'm going to fold this back a little bit so you can get the center section. And you see the center on this side. You see part of the sky coming in between the forest. You have a bright purple flowering tree. So it's springtime at this cottage for sure. There is the cottage. There is the thatched roof cottage. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And another flowering tree on this side. And as you go above it, you can see the greens of the forest in the back. This is where I would love to live. I would love to live in a countryside with lots of flowering trees and moss and a rolling thatched roof and oh my gosh, in the woods, in the cool glade of woods. And you have some birds in the sky and it's on a shiny canvas. Oh my gosh, it is just phenomenal. 68 colors. 68 colors. Wow. Unbelievable. In the kit you get the thank you, and it has other discounts in it and other QR codes to find more discounts, the VIP group, that kind of thing. It gives you instructions and tips on how to diamond paint. And you get the big sticker. Actually, in this case, you get 2 of the big stickers because there is too many colors to put all on one sticker sheet. So you get, that's the painting that you are getting. Wow. Wow. This is all sticker that you can put in a notebook. And these are all your color stickers that have the sequence number, the symbol number, and the DMC color code. And they all come in individualized little stickers that help you kit up. The ones that are under the number 150 are all Aurora Borealis drills, so you have 6 Aurora Borealis drills in here. 6 of them, 1 through 5 and a dot. Wow. Wow. You can see the symbols up close to see how they're going to look differentiated from each other. I've never had a problem with them. I heard the question, is this a square or a round kit? If I didn't announce it before, it is a... It is a square. It is a square kit. Here is the brick of drills. It comes with the inventory number and the name of the kit on it. And I see some of the Aurora Borealis drills. One of them is a white, one of them is a yellow, one of them is a red. I hesitate to take all these drills out because look at this pack of drills. Holy cow. Holy cow. Just amazing. These drills are all resin drills. They are made in Diamond Art Club's own factory. You will not find many defects in them at all. If you hesitate to work with drills, choose a Diamond Art Club kit. There are some that are small, that are partial kits that you can start on a square to see how you like them before you do a giant kit like this. And I would recommend doing that first. They're incredible. They're absolutely incredible. Because every inch of this canvas is going to be covered with a drill. Now let's try to find out where these 7 Aurora Borealis drills will go. Number 1 is a light green, a very light green. I have a feeling I know where it's going to go. I will try my best to tour the canvas here for you in my limited space. I got it. Okay. In the grass up here. In the grass. In the back, mountains in the background. Can you see that? That's where the ones are going to go. Back here. Is there any of that light green anywhere else? The really light green. Yes. In the trees in the background. You have a lot of the ones in the trees in the background here. Alright, the 2s are an orange, like a light orange. Let's see where these 2s might go. And I apologize for the traffic outside. It's rainy, it kind of magnifies all that business. There's some 2s in the brickwork in the chimney. There's some 2s in the logs down here at the bottom, and the stones. So it's an orangey brown in the doorway. So it's in the woods, the wood and the stone. That's where I find it the most. Okay, the number 3s are going to be red, bright red, and I have a feeling I know exactly where they're going to go. Yep, in the roses. In the roses and in the bushes above the logs. In the flowers. Very much so. Yep, that's where the number 3s are. I don't see any up here. Number 4s are light pink. Aha. Yes. Number 4s I see in the window, in the bushes down here, in the flowers on this side, in the flowering tree. There's some. A lot in this flowering tree, this purple flowering tree, a lot, all the way up. Okay. Number 5s are yellow. Alright. I see some 5s in the tree at the top here. I see some 5s in the bushes above the cottage here, in the tree line above the cottage. There are some 5s on the very edges, on the yellows in the very edges in here, in the flowers. And the number 6s are the dots. They're the white dots. They're in the geese. They're in all the gate work, the picket fence in the house, all spotted through the tree, all in the clouds, all in the flowering trees, all up the chimney and in the smoke on the chimney. So you have the white ABs everywhere on the canvas. So that will really draw your eye all around the canvas. So this is incredibly beautiful. Countryside Cottage by Dominic Davidson for Diamond Art Club. This is a masterpiece, folks. this is an incredible masterpiece. Wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's going to be take a while to work on. I do have others that are huge like this to work on as well. We will get to them together as we move through. So if you come back to the channel, you will find other Diamond Art Club kits unboxed. You will find sneak peeks for sales that are coming up for Diamond Art Club. You will find Diamond Art kits from different manufacturers. I have different tips and tricks. There's a 20 tips on how to work with Aurora Borealis, the AB drills, and the special drills to keep everything from sticking to them and get them in the right place in your canvas. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. I'm stunned. So, so, so beautiful. You know, you can just imagine yourself walking up the path, coming in and sitting on the porch, smelling all the flowers, hearing the bees and the ducks, and just relaxing in the coolness of the forest glade. If I could live my life out, it would be in a place like this. Diamond painting and just being in a glade like this. This would be my fantasy place to live. What is your fantasy place to live? Have you done a Dominic Davidson before? Have you done a large masterpiece size like this? Let me know your comments in the comments below. And click the link in the box below if you have never bought a Diamond Art Club painting before and you'd like a 15% discount. Click my affiliate link in below. Thank you for joining me for Wanda's Workbasket for yet another unboxing of a gorgeous diamond painting. Hope to see you again soon, Divas. Bye.